Drape the yarn over your index finger and middle finger and loop it once around both fingers as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook. Slip off the magic ring. Now, left palm facing you, hold the magic ring and loop the yarn once around your pinky, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on hook. So, this is 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Continue with 5 more single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we finish round 1. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. This chain stitch would not count as needed stitch of each round. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch, and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. So now, we got 1 increase, see 2 stitches. Insert hook into the next stitch and work to single crochet to make 1 increase. Repeat with 4 more increase. 3, 4, 5, 6, 'This is the slip stitch and this is the chain stitch. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round. so we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we finish round 2. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Work 1 single crochet at the first stitch and mark this stitch with stitch marker. Work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Finish 1 group of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. See 3 stitches. Continue with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Finish 2 groups. We need to repeat with 4 more groups of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Skip the slip stitch and chain stitch. Insert hook into the marking stitch and work 1 slip stitch. Now, we have finished the 3rd round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. And work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. So, we finish 1 group of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. See 4 stitches. Continue with 2 single crochet next. And 1 increase. Finish 2 groups. We need to repeat with 4 more groups of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch. Okay, we finish round 4. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight.